After graphical programming, we start the workpiece positioning. Move the mouse over the length and width icons. After clicking, you can see that there are 5 different types of positioning in the window. Next, I will give you an explanation of the 5 different types of positioning. Type 1 needs to focus on the position of 2 and 3. The length of guiding rule 2 and 3 is 20 mm, so the length of this position corresponding to the hem of the workpiece cannot be less than 20, otherwise there is no way to position. In Type 2, the length of B and D sides shall not exceed 20 mm, otherwise there is no way to position. Type 3 is the same with Type 2. The length of the workpiece hem corresponding to A and C shall not exceed 20 mm, otherwise there is no way to position. Type 4, as you can see, the 4 hems of A, B, C, D are all greater than 20. We can use such a positioning mode. Type 5, as long as such a positioning mode is met, the positioning can be carried out. There are no specific requirements for the length of ABCD. The workpiece we need to bend is more suitable for the positioning mode of Type 1. Next, we will explain the parameter configuration in combination with the workpiece. Type 1 has 2 corners, so we can have 2 types of positioning mode. The first positioning mode, we can measure that the length of A is 50 mm. Second positioning mode, we can measure that the length of B is 40 mm. Next, we adopt the positioning mode that A is equal to 50 mm. Enter the corresponding value. Because the space is symmetrical, the C hem is 50 mm as well. Click the To Positioning icon. The guiding rule will rise automatically. After rising, we place the workpiece on the guiding rule and position it at the corresponding position. The workpiece is loose, and the specific parameters need to be adjusted. Increase the parameters a little. A is also increased. The guiding rule on the other side is also loose. Also adjust parameters. Then continue to click the To Positioning icon. Placing the workpiece on the guiding rule for positioning again. Basically no problem now. The positioning is tight. This is our workpiece positioning.